Share owners, a very warm good morning to each and every one of you. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the 41st Annual General Meeting of Reliance Industries Limited. This is the first AGM as Reliance begins its golden decade. The company's accounts for the year ended March 31st, 2018, along with the directors and the auditors' report, a letter to the shareholders, and management's discussion and analysis have already been circulated to you. With your permission, I would like to take them as read. Dear share owners, this year has been yet another transformational year for Reliance. On one hand, our new age consumer businesses have started delivering profits. On the other, our hydrocarbon business has scaled up its capabilities to become more profitable, integrated, and predictable in its earnings profiles. Together, our hydrocarbon and consumer business have helped your company create more records and scale greater heights than ever before. I am delighted to report yet another record-breaking performance by your company. Our profits, net profits, grew by more than 20.6% to 36,075 crores. Reliance's earning profile underwent a fundamental change this year. The company's consumer businesses, Jio and retail, represented about 13% of the consolidated EBITDA, up from a mere 2% last year. This increase is especially remarkable because it is taking place at a time when the hydrocarbon businesses are growing rapidly. I can tell you with confidence that Reliance has reached an inflection point. As our golden decade rolls on, our consumer businesses will contribute nearly as much to the overall earnings of your company as our energy and petrochemical businesses. Reliance continues to be India's largest exporter, accounting for 8.9% of India's total merchandise export, with a value of 1,76,000 crores and access to 113 countries worldwide. Your company paid rupees 26,312 crores of customs and excise duty, which is the highest in the Indian private sector. We also paid 42,553 crores of GST, which is another record. Reliance is also the highest income taxpayer in the private sector in India, paying rupees 9,844 crores in tax during the year. Dear friends, I want to start with Reliance Jio, our digital services initiative. Since I last spoke, we have doubled our customer base to over 215 million customers now. $215 million customers within 22 months of start is a record that no technology company has been able to achieve anywhere in the world. In the last 1 year, we have achieved unprecedented growth on an existing large base. Data usage has grown from 125 crore GBs per month to more than 240 crore GBs per month. We were the world's largest mobile data network last year, and the gap from others has only widened in the last 12 months. Voice usage on the network has grown from 250 crore minutes per day to more than 530 crore minutes per day. The amount of video consumption has grown from 165 crore hours per month to 340 crore hours per month. Jio is truly India's mobile video network. Our customers are actively engaged with us for more than 290 minutes per day on an average. Friends, Jio's motto is simple. We are determined to connect everyone and everything, everywhere, always at the highest quality and the most affordable price. Like our customer matrix, our network also continues to expand rapidly. In terms of coverage, our network has wider coverage than any other network in India. We are on track to achieve our target of 99% population coverage with 4G LTE. This means that Jio will be present in every district, taluka, gram panchayat, and village of India. When it comes to capacity, over the past 12 months, we have more than doubled our network capacity. Even after serving the needs of our 215 million plus customers, the capacity utilization of the Jio network is less than 20%, which means we can multiply our customer base without additional investment. We have achieved this unprecedented network growth while maintaining our #1 position as the fastest network in India, as attested by the TRAI speed test data for each and every month of the past year. However, we recognize that just around 1% of our customers are yet to enjoy the best user experience some of the time. Let me assure all of you that we are working tirelessly to satisfy and delight them as well. Jio is a customer-obsessed organization and will work harder to make every customer remain satisfied always on our network. Let me now update you on the Jio Phone. Jio Phone has taken the country by storm. I am pleased to announce that we have more than 25 million Jio Phone users in India. We are now taking the Jio Phone to the next level with added capabilities and functionalities, which we will demonstrate shortly. Friends, what comes next for broadband connectivity in India? While India has pole vaulted into global leadership in the mobile broadband space, we still lag significantly behind in the fixed line broadband. India is ranked quite low at 134th in the global ranking for fixed broadband. Poor fixed line infrastructure has been a key reason for this. In countries with better developed communication infrastructure, more than 80% of the data consumption happens indoors through fixed line connectivity in homes, in offices, and other premises. Optical fiber-based fixed line broadband is the future. Fixed line broadband offers hundreds of megabits, even gigabits per second of data speeds. Jio is determined to move India to be among the top 5 in the fixed line broadband too in the coming years. Your company has already invested over 250,000 crores for creating state-of-the-art digital infrastructure to provide mobile and broadband connectivity across the country with the largest fiber footprint. We will now extend this fiber connectivity to homes, merchants, small and medium enterprises, and large enterprises simultaneously across 1,100 cities to offer the most advanced fiber-based broadband connectivity solutions. For your home, this will mean ultra-high definition entertainment on your large screen TVs, multi-party video conferencing from the comfort of your home, voice-activated virtual assistants who obey your every command, virtual reality gaming and digital shopping where you are magically transported into a digital universe of immersive experiences, smart home solutions where hundreds of devices like security cameras, home appliances, and even lights and switches can be securely controlled by their owners using a smartphone from both inside and outside the home. This will redefine 24/7 emergency help for all homes across India. For merchants and small businesses, fixed-line broadband means when you combine fixed-line connectivity and cloud applications with the agility and the customer obsession of a small, owner-driven business, you empower them to compete on level terms with larger businesses. Jio is thus performing a task of vital national importance because the success of Indian small businesses and merchants translates directly into faster and more sustainable growth with large-scale employment for the Indian economy. Likewise, for large enterprises, fixed-line broadband will mean having the ability to compete in the global marketplaces, using the digital tools and techniques that are powering the fourth industrial revolution. We are calling this fiber-based broadband service the Jio GigaFiber. Dear share owners, let me now invite to this stage Isha, Akash, and Kiran to give a demonstration of Jio Phone and the Jio GigaFiber services.